Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amul, and today I am pitching to you Faramoon. Today, office spaces across the world remain closed, and the need of the hour is to be able to implement social distancing norms so that we can all return to our offices safely. This is true not just for our offices, but also for our schools, colleges, hospitals, and the entire built environment at large. And we need a solution that can be implemented easily and quickly. And that is what Faramoon is all about. We are a technology company that helps the architecture, engineering, and construction industries to make their 3D models 100 times faster. And we do this by automating what is called the scan to BIM workflow. What do I mean by this? Imagine you are an architect and your job is to redesign the spaces of this building to meet the COVID 19 regulations. To do this, you would use a laser scanner and scan this entire building from inside and outside, and then use that scan to create the model. This workflow is a scan to BIM workflow, and it has two main stages, scanning and modeling. With all the recent technological developments, scanning has now become relatively easy. A building like this can be scanned in under 10 hours. However, converting that scan into a 3D model remains a manual process and can take significantly longer. Not only is this process time consuming and expensive, it can also be error prone. And this is where Faramon comes in. Based on many years of groundbreaking research, our team has been able to develop a software that can take a scan like this and extract all the important information from that scan and then use that information to create a 3D model automatically, all at the click of a button and in fraction of a time taken by the manual process. This is the team behind the product. I am the CEO, and I'm also the software developer who has written most of the code. My colleague Dr. Mohsen is an associate professor at the University of Melbourne. He has been researching in this field for many years. Together, our team's strong technical background has allowed us to develop the complex algorithms required to develop a solution for this problem. Our customers are mostly in the architecture, engineering, and construction domain. A typical customer could be a draftsman, architect, or a surveyor. And what all these people have in common is that they are trying to use laser scan data to generate 3D design files. And this is how we fit into their workflow. The process starts with scanning, where a surveyor goes into the field and scans an existing building. The next step of the process is drafting or modeling, where a scan is converted into a 3D model manually. The model is then made available to an architect to start advising the client. In this process, the softwares required for scanning are made available by the equipment manufacturers of laser scanners. On the other end, the architects have access to 3D modeling softwares and CAD softwares to do the modeling. Faramoon plans to support the intermediate stage of drafting, which currently remains mostly manual. In terms of the market size, Faramoon plans to target a specific segment of the larger BIM market. This segment is the building and civil infrastructure segment and is about $1.8 billion. Currently, 1 in 5 of the models made is made using laser scan data. We currently generate revenue by charging on a per transaction basis. We charge a flat fee of $500 for each model that we process. We have deliberately kept our prices very competitive to allow us rapid initial growth. In the days to come, we plan to shift onto a volume based subscription model, which will allow us to scale our business more sustainably. Our product is already able to extract walls from a scan. As we speak, our team is adding the capabilities to extract openings like doors and windows. In the days to come, we plan to add more features so that it is a comprehensive product and is the best scan to BIM product in the world. We also believe that by adding the ability to handle complex scenarios, we should be able to expand on our customer base rapidly. So far, we have successfully executed 4 paid projects, including one in US and one in Malaysia. We are currently piloting our software with more than 30 different companies across the world. And on an average, every week we get one new job inquiry. In all these trialing projects, Faramoon has been successfully able to demonstrate a quick turnaround time of less than 48 hours, saving our customers many days. To build a successful, large, profitable business from all this traction, we now plan to focus on two main areas. We would like to accelerate our product development activities so that we can deliver a complete automated solution for our clients. We also want to ramp up our marketing and sales activities so that we can expand on our customer footprint. And to achieve this, we are now looking to raise in the range of $1 to $2 million. We believe with these funds, we can develop our product, commercialize, and expand on our market footprint. By the end of next year, we would like to be product ready and convert our 30 trialing customers into 100 paying customers with an MRR of $50,000. That's it from me. If this sounds interesting and you would like to invest in us and come along on the journey, we would love to hear from you. Thank you so much.